Speaking assignment. Student Lina María Bonilla Amado. Unit 2, Tax 4. Open and Remote National University Helmond Managed. Technology and environment. The world is changing very fast as technology and preparation for succession the future of new inventions. We are important and change that we must account if we recycle, adapt the care the planet, they will have water, tree, and of natural they enjoy with on the next generations. Radical change. The we were the governments of each country so implementing rulers for the case of planet than each tax accounts contributions that people made the fork car and we generation of the every month and with this the world much more design free. Consequence. We are talking about very serious risks and damage for humanity because natural resources worldwide is equal and so much what that they into distance and time we will be contaminated and we call contrast we say that increasing mortality. The technology future. We will a world that's advancing in the new time, wherever we have to very invest time very well so that the recurse we want a time and increasing and become very production in terms of technology we were most about the new to manage it in the future to be more aware and responsibility people they with every month. Positive strategies, strategy plans by moves implement along their resources also layer more than with car and motorcycle, mandatory recycling of the house and business wasted, car of rivers and oceans, no filtering. Let's take care of planning and belong to everyone. Thank you very much.